YouTubers, with the Olight right here, this little guy, thing's pretty bright. You gotta twist it. I already took the piece off, so that's why at first I couldn't get it to go. But there's a battery, the rechargeable battery. There's one of these pull tabs. Gotta pull it out and then put it back on. But yeah, this thing is definitely bright. I did charge it up good too, so charged about, I don't know, half hour, so should be good to go. But you guys can get one at a low cost. Let me turn off the lights and I see how bright this thing is. So pretty impressive. Be a great backup for your car, for your anywhere, benches, your office. Here we go. Here we go. Let me see. And you got a little push button up here. I can't even see. Bam. Where were you at 12:01? Elliot. Look at that. That's really bright. Yeah. Tiny too, purse size, pocket size. One of those front pocket dress shirts you can have one of these in. Look at that though, that thing is crazy. Bright, bright. Do. Bam. There you go. That's how bright it is. Sorry about that. Look at that. Nice range, nice brightness for you guys hunting. That'd be great. Gotta tuck those wires in. Oh boy. Fun things. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Olight. Amazon Prime, I do believe. If not, the website link will be down below. Till then, be safe, have a great weekend, and see you guys soon. See ya.